How to check if a diode is bad. Hey guys. In today's video, I will show you how to test a diode with a multimeter. The diode has a silver stripe on one end, indicating the cathode. The other end is the anode. The diode is represented as this symbol with the anode on the positive side and the cathode on the negative side. Power entering through the anode will pass through the diode, whereas power present at the cathode side will be prevented from flowing through the diode. You will see this demonstrated later on in the multimeter. On the multimeter, turn the dial to the setting with the diode symbol. Press the function button to switch from continuity to diode mode. On the multimeter, the red probe is positive and the black probe is negative. Touch the red probe lead to the anode and the black probe lead to the cathode. The good diode will have a voltage drop ranging from 0.5 to 0.8 volts. We are within range. This is a good sign. Reverse the diode and touch the red probe lead to the cathode and the black probe lead to the anode. The multimeter will show OL or overload. This is what we expected. The cathode side prevents any power from flowing through the diode. Another test we can do is the resistance test. On the multimeter, turn the dial to the setting with the ohm symbol. Similar to what we did before, touch the red probe lead to the anode and the black probe lead to the cathode. The good diode should have a range from 1000 ohms to 10 million ohms. In our test, we are getting around 50,000 ohms. Very good. I hope this video has shown you how to test a diode with a multimeter. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.